Do you feel sad that your children don't know how to speak the Igbo language? Or are you an adult and you feel embarrassed? You do not know how to communicate in the Igbo language? Join us now in Papa the Language Hub online classes any day of the week from anywhere you are in the world. Contact us now. Darling. Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Sleepy. Inarahura. Ika Simba. Inarahura. Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Cha-cha-cha, Igbo sobakam kwenu.
Yeah.
So free na see ya go kwesisi. Gini ba afa gị? Gini wa ha gị? Gwa ma ha gị. You guys say Ahambo and then you say your name. Gini ba ha gị?
Ahambo, praise.
Praise onye. Gini ba ha nna gị? What's your surname?
Udochukwu.
Praise Udochukwu. Your surname, your last name.
Chill.
Oh, gini na fear.
Guy,
What? Gini me just boy a guy. Boy a guy na. What? Gini wa ha gị? So you will tell me your name and your last name. Gini wa ha gị?
Ahambo, praise.
Praise the Lord.
Udochukwu.
Obi. That's my big girl. You see the corona. Okay. What's it called, man? No. Okay. Ngwanu, anyị bido. N'ụtụtụ taa, anyị ga-ele anya n'ime akwụkwọ anyị. Onye ọbụla welie handbook ya. Onye ọbụla welie handbook. Onye ọbụla welie handbook ya. Akwụkwọ kam. Ugbu a, anyị ga-ebu ụzọ leba anya na the camp anthem egwu kamp anyị. Ndị ekwu okwu onye ọbụla agba nkịtị. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Prince Will.
Ị ga-asị aha m bụ Prince Will Obi Smart.
Ahambo, Prince Will Obi Smart.
Prince Will Obi na Smart. Emere mkpọtụ gbadebe akwụkwọ gị. Jide nke a, jide sọsọ nke a, wepụta nke a, jide ya. Ọ sị na onwe sị enweghị m. Biko nye na ya akwụkwọ ọ sị na onwe m. Ngwa onye ọbụla ka anyị sabe na ngalaba nke atọ page 3. Onye ọbụla mepe page 3. Onye?
Okay. Oberienkem Agameme Kochake Oberienkem Agameme Kochake Oberienkem Agameme Kochake Everyone, I'm asking you, do you like the song? Hi, honey. When I say quacka, quacka, it means clap, 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 clap. Quacka, 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 quacka. I can remember also. Can you go yourself? Oberienke. Let's go. Kochake. Oberienke. Agameme. Kochake. Oberienke. Oberienke. Kochake. 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 So we'll take that song and we are getting the vibe now. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go! Oberienke. Oberienke. Kochake. Oberienke. Oberienke. Kochake. Kochake. Oberienke. Oberienke. Kochake. Oh, Kochake. 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 Now we say Tinye ya no buroche, and you say mba. When you say mba, don't stop. You say mba. Agameme kochake. So it's simply saying put it under the chair and you say no. I'm gonna let it shine. Okay? Are we good? Are we good? So when I say Tinye ya no buroche, sing it mba. Yes, so you say no and then you say and lift all your voices. When you do no, can we go? So I get below now. Tinye ya no buroche. Are we good? Oh, it's a local. It's a local. 5 points. 5 points. I've been in one. What's your good camper? I've been in. What can you do? Tinye ya no buroche. Kochake. Tinye ya no burapa. Kochake. Tinye ya no burute. Agameme. Oh, Kochake. 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 So we are going to go all the way from the top to the bottom. And then on work, they will give us the orientation. When I say you did, say I didn't. Aye. Who are getting here today? What can you do anything? Obey, want to go. Hold on, Chere on this table. I will do finish. You think it table by table. You better sing. See, you can't not speak the Igbo language until you speak the Igbo language. Okay? Okay, oh my God.
Stand up.
Okay, oh my God.
Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Family members.
Zoe, come.
Zoe,
Light
come,
and
let's start. Help them mix up.
Check it out, come. Zoe, come. Let's mix up. Zikara, move. Units, come this way. Zikara, move. Units, take the transport. You need to sit down there. Okay. Zikara, national affairs control.
We are watching you and kids, and you're going to win gifts. Honestly, you will win gifts if you sing well. You have 100. Don't try me. You'll figure it out your friends. When I will give her all the candies I will bring now. Don't say, I don't like you. Better speak Igbo so that you also win candy. Uncle Kese, yes. People like the partner, oh, one is smart. One has three wherever go. So we are taking points of kids. You know how to do it.
I've started already.
You speak well, we give your candy.
Get out. Get out. In the morning, just about 5 minutes, right?
Are we good? Can we start? 1, 2, go!
Oh, baby,
No, me and Mba, you have to give it, and it has to give. Are we good? Sweetheart. Oh, baby. Are we ready? 1, 2, ready, go! Oh, baby, oh, baby, camp orientation. Orientation is written in English, but I get all go in Igbo. So he will read it in English, and then he will explain to you both in Igbo and in what? English.
Cha cha cha, Igbo kwenu. Ngwakọlụ nwunye maazị aka. Put your hands together for nwunye maazị. Alright, ka anyị sị na daalụ. Ka anyị sị na gịnị? Daalụ. Ka anyị sị na nwunye maazị gịnị? Daalụ. Thank you very much, nwunye maazị, for that beautiful camp anthem. Daalụ rinne maka camp anthem nke ị gosiri anyị n'ụtụtụ a. Anyị na-asị onye nwaanyị gọzie gị n'afọ Jizọs. Ugbu a anyị na-achọ ịbanye na camp rules and regulations. We want to dive into our camp rules and regulations this morning, and that will form the basics of our orientation this morning. Okay? Ngwa ka anyị nebanye anya n'akwụkwọ anyị. Yes. Ka anyị nebanye anya n'akwụkwọ. Let's look into our book, page 4. Are we there? Okay. Anyị akpọ table a table 1. Table a bụrụ gịnị? Table 2. Table a bụrụ gịnị? 3. Okay? So this is table 3, table 2, and table 1. Okay. All right. Can you table if is easy? Then I come to regulation 9. Please can you kindly sit up? sit up, and sit right. Okay, kind of lot of form. Can you maybe fees is in a camp rule line? You can tell us what's on number one list. This is how you score your points.
Safety first.
Beautiful. Can you call on Yanka? Safety first. Okay. It's okay. Safety first. So, I read. We're going to practice safety at every point in the camp. That's number one. No wandering off alone. I want to know Igbo. Is there anybody attending mushroom school here? I hope you're all attending a good and a standard private schools or international schools, as the case may be. So the English that is used to write this rules and regulations, you understood them very well. Okay? So there's no wandering off alone. Always tell the staff where you are going and report any injury to a staff immediately. So, if I never baranya in Kizizi, bo makagene, if any became on safety, maka inelu wanya. Okay? And that is why in all our schools, we talk about safety first. Isn't it? How many of you prioritize safety in your school? Can I see your hand up? Yes, safety in everything you do. How many of you have fire extinguishers in your schools? Even at home and everywhere. Beautiful. So in this camp also, we're emphasizing safety. And because of that, we don't want any of our campers to wander off alone. You will not be walking aimlessly. You will leave the classroom without permission, okay? Or you leave the camp vicinity without due permission and approval. We don't want to take that from any of our campers, okay? And provincial, what do you do, boy? Okay, please do. And provincial, you sustain any injury. Mr. Chris, please attend to that one. Okay, I didn't know. And provincial, you sustain any injury in the camp. It is very, very expected and expedient of each and every one of you to report to the nearest camp staff. Okay? Good. In camp, we're getting respect for everyone. Respect for what? Everyone. Respect people by not bullying them. I hope we don't have bullies in this camp. I hope we don't have bullies in this camp. People who body shame others. I hope we don't have them in this camp. This camp is a zero tolerance to any form of bullying. I don't take that as an individual. And we're not going to entertain that in this camp. So peradventure, you bully people in your school, you bully people in your compound, wherever you live and all that, in your church when you go for parties and all that, you bully, look at his head, he has a big head, he bedwets all the time. We're not going to take that from any one of you. Okay? Is that clear? Good.
They determine a point from you.
Yes, I'm going to deduct a point from you. And when the bully is much, I'll request Munyamazi to call the parent to come pick him up. We're not going to entertain any form of bullying in this place, okay? So we have to respect people by not bullying them, but shaming them, teasing, or using inappropriate languages on them. Set an example of an inappropriate language. Number one, give me an example of an inappropriate language. Shut up. Number two. You are very stupid. Number three. You are mad. Such foul languages, we are not going to entertain them in this camp. Okay? Respect camp properties by not damaging them. Yesterday when we arrived, I've seen some people, some of our campers, they started watching. Hey, see, if you are found guilty of destroying any camp property, you will be held responsible for the repairs and replacements. You're going to call your parents ASAP, immediately. Obu maybe if Obuna na campa, I got Papa Nena no Afa Black. I hope you understand. The next one is camp conduct. Camp what? Conduct. That's number three. Are we on number three?
Yeah.
Get ready for the next question. Taking that table. Participate in all camp activities and lessons with enthusiasm, because it helps you to learn faster and makes the camp experience memorable. Also listen carefully to all camp staff and follow their I want to believe that we don't have a camper here who is rude or saucy or that doesn't know how to talk to elderly people. Up to the camp so that if anything happens, you tell me you brought anything to the camp. As you can register your electronic devices to your camp masters and mistresses. Okay. The next one is be supportive and stay within your group. We've just shared you table by table now, and this is how you are going to be sitting from today till start today. So I need to go and ask you go. Nke a bụ table 1, nke a bụrụ gịnị table 2, nke a bụrụ table 3. So whenever we are having a general gathering like this is how you're expected to sit. Okay? I'm going to take questions when I'm done. Okay, thank you. Yes, I've now permanently placed you here. So this is now it. From now to the end of the camp on Saturday. Thank you for your compliance. So always encourage and support fellow participants. Avoid making fun of their mistakes during camp activity. Maybe trying to speak the Igbo language and mistakenly spoke something else. You don't laugh at the person. Okay? Rather, what would you do? Table 1, when someone makes a mistake at the point of speaking Igbo, instead of laughing or kind of making jest of the person, what would you do?
You have to correct them.
You have to correct them if you know the right thing. What would you do? Table 2. You encourage them by what? By telling them the right thing. Table 3. What would you do?
You should say that is not the right thing to say.
Okay.
Ask another teacher to tell you what is the actual
Thing is beautiful, good. All right. Call no one and clap for yourselves, please. Thank you very much. The next one is that okay. Ensure you stay within your assigned group during each activity and help others feel welcome. Point number 7, be punctual and be a good camper. Very important. Arrive on time for all activities, the workout sessions, the classes. Try out new activities, even if they're outside of your comfort zone. Even if you have not been doing that before, maybe in your house at your school, and they're telling you, like this morning, I'm going to be on this morning. I think I really enjoyed it. Yes, I think I really enjoyed it. Yes, everybody gets to do 1 or 2 things. So even if they're outside of your comfort zone, they're not something you do all the time. Okay, and they're bringing it up that in this camp. They find game. Can you come out of phone? Let's try as much as we can to do that. Keep all camp areas clean. What do you say? Oh, I'll tell you why you did not have enough sleep. Okay? You know why now? Do I have them here? Do I have to tell them why you didn't catch enough sleep? If I won't. Okay. And sleeping is not actually an exercise. Yes. Okay. Sleeping is putting the body off from every mental and physical activity. So it's not an exercise. Exercise has its own benefits to the body. Do you understand? With what you did this morning, it has helped your respiratory tract. You can now breathe well. Peradventure, you've been having obstruction with breathing and all that.
So much, please.
Okay. Alright, do you understand? Take care of your personal belongings. Are we listening to that? Again, take care of all your personal belongings. Okay? Make your beds for the bigger boys and girls with us. Dispose trash. We are better than we found it. Point number 9. Do not go. I repeat. Do not go to the pool arena when it is not time for swimming. Okay? For no reason of whatsoever should we find our campers near the pool, no matter what. Okay? We're going to bring out a time when we are going to swim, when we are sure that the sun is hot. Okay? But if the weather is so cool, it will not be too good for you to go to the pool. But be rest assured, we are going to swim and swim and swim and swim in this camp. But the offense you're going to commit is if you go to the pool arena without anyone's approval. That would be a very punishable offense in this camp. Finally, remember to always say, can we say it together? Can we look at the number 10? Can I have the number 10? Remember to always say what? So who can tell me what Ndewo is as we conclude table 1? What is Ndewo? Table 3. Hello. Ndewo. Yes, table 2. What's Ndewo? Table 1. Ndewo, what does it mean? Hello, beautiful. There was Dalo. Thank you. Thank you very much once again. We are glad to have you for the 2026 Igbo Summer Camp. Have fun safely and enjoy camping experience. Ndewo. The name once again is Dede Okezie Okafor, camp coordinator. Okay. At this point, Nebuhoge, I have a class I need each. We're going to be going to our respective classes, okay? And we're going to go and look at a class here. From age 4 to 7. From age 4 to 7, when you're not age 4, if you're between the age bracket of 4 to 7, can I see your hand up? Mrs. Agatha, age 4 to 7. Miss Chidex. Anna. I don't know. Okay. I am 4 years to 7 years. Can I see your hand up? Okay. You must stand up. Be on your feet. Be on your feet. 4 to 7 years. 4 to 7 years. Okay. You are going to follow Auntie. What's the name? Pick up your workbook. Good.
Okay.
8 to 11. 8 to 11. So for 8 to 11, your class is here, and I'll be your teacher. Okay? 8 to 11. Finally, 12 to 16. 12 to 16. Can I see your hand up? 12 to 16. Okay, 12 to 16, follow me. 12 to 16, follow me. Yes. So 12 to 16, only imagine your class.
The one I'm going to make a man. This is
Write your name on them. I'm coming to give you 5. What are the 12 to 100 years?